Look at this question. It says Sige cycled for 20 minutes at 15 kilometers to a bus stop. He took a bus and traveled for 2.5 hours at 70 kilometers per hour. He then took a train for 1.5 hours at 50 kilometers per hour. Find his average speed for the whole journey. I like sketching, so that we sketch this information. We have Sige is at this point. Then he cycles for 20 minutes at 15 kilometers per hour. Then from there, he goes to a bus stop. From the bus stop, he takes a bus and travels for 2.5 hours at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. That's the next information. Then next, he then takes a train and travels for 1.5 hours at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Then you'll be told find his average speed for the whole journey. We always say that average speed is total distance divided by total time taken. Total time taken. That is the formula. What we just need to know, we need to know this distance from this point to this point, then from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. And we say that distance is given by speed multiplied by time. So at this point here, to get the distance from this point to this point, we take the speed, which is 15 kilometers per hour, times, we convert this 20 minutes into hours by dividing by 60. If you do that one, this will be 20 divided by 60. When you simplify, you'll have it is 1/3. If you 3 1 here, 3 5, and therefore the distance from this point to this point is 5 kilometers. Now you come to this point, from the bus stop to where he takes the train. We have been told that the speed is 70 kilometers per hour and he uses 2.5 hours. Therefore, I'm going to say again, distance is speed, which is 70 kilometers per hour, multiplied by this time, 2.5. This one can be written as a improper fraction as 5/2. When you multiply this one by 2 1 here by 2, and 35. 35 times 5, you get it is 175 kilometers. That is the distance from the bus stop to where he takes the train. And therefore, the last distance is from the train where he boards the train. He takes a train from this point to this point. We're going to say again, distance is the speed, which is 50 kilometers per hour times 1.5 hours taken. This one can be written as 3/2 as an improper fraction. And therefore, if you simplify this one by 2 1 by 2, 25 times 3, you get it is 75 kilometers. And that is the distance. And therefore, to get the total distance, we add these 3, 5 plus 175 plus 75. We get total distance as 255 kilometers. That is the total distance. Then you need to get the total time from here to here plus from here to here and from here to here. This one is 20 minutes. 20 minutes in terms of hours is 20/60, which we simplified here, which is the same as 1/3. Therefore, if you total time will be 1/3. This one, 20 minutes converted to hours, it is 1/3, plus this one here, you have said in terms of proper fraction, this will be 5/2, then plus this one, the same as 3/2. This one, if you add, you get the LCM of 3, 2, 2, it is 6, and therefore 3 goes here to 6, 2. Therefore, you'll have 2 plus 2 goes here, 3. 3 times 5, that gives you 15. And therefore, next we'll have 2 goes here, 3. 3 times 3, you get it is plus 9. If you simplify this one, it will be 2 plus 15, that is 17. 17 plus 9, you get is 26 divided by 6. If you simplify this one will give you by 2, 3 by 2, 13. This one will give you 13 over 3. That is the total time taken. And therefore, back to the question, we say average speed for the journey will be equals to 255 divided by the total time. Average speed is total distance divided by total time, which is 13 over 3. When you simplify this one will be 255 divided by 13 over 3. If you use your calculator, you'll get your answer as 58 11 over 13. And that is how you handle that question. Bye.